welcome back in the channel. So here we are. So what we're gonna do today, so let's continue to work on with the Ducati. Here we are back with the Ducati. So as you can see where we left before, so I still need to install the front fairing, the side fairings and a few other small parts. So yeah, let's continue to work on with the Ducati. I think I will try to finish today, but I'm not sure. And yeah, let's continue to work on. Here we are with the parts, a little bit messy, but anyway, so here, so I have front headlight with the front fairing. Alright guys, so the side fairing is on. As you can see, I think it looks really good. Start looking like a bike. So alright, let's move on with the front, that headlight and the front fairing, and what else? Front fender, and then we will try to fit the grips on and the gas cable, how to say, throttle cable. Let's move on and let's fit the front fairing, front headlight on. With disregard last message, I already installed the throttle. One screw here, other screw here, and then this will be fit as well. And then I will just put the grip on. Alright, let's do that. Every step by step, it looks more like a bike. So I don't know if I mentioned you, but this bike, Ducati Streetfighter V4, actually I will Google it, but this bike has the Panigale Ducati engine, so it's like a rocket for this Street Fighter. As you can see, yes, the engine is the Ducati Streetfighter V4, has a Stradale V4 engine, so yeah, it's delivered from the MotoGP technology. So yeah, this Street Fighter V4 has the same engine as the Ducati V4 Panigale, so it's really powerful. I don't know, I can't wait. The spring, it's already March, but I think I still need like 1 month when we will be able to ride the bike. So yeah, I want to try this bike. All right, let's move on. Now we are able to install the speedo with the fairing and the headlight. I think it will be easier. So yeah, let's try to do that.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone.
Alright guys, look at that. So front is installed, all good with the headlight, with the front fairing, so really good. So still need to put the fender on, the screen on, and yeah, but look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's fit that fender on, screen on, and let's move on. But the Ducati looks like the bike now. Nice. Look at that. Let's install the most expensive front fender. Alright guys, so I will push the bike out of the garage and show you in the light how the bike looks, and I still need to install the battery, so let's do that. See, she's living her life. Alright guys, I think all parts are installed, and let's try to run the bike. Alright my friends, the Ducati project is finally ready, so now I just need to wait for spring so I can actually take it out for a proper ride. So once I will do, I will make sure I will bring you some GoPro footage. So thank you guys for watching. If you have some questions about the video, just write in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next videos.